Morning, I have some very special knives in my workshop. They came from one of you guys, a TikToker. These knives were featured on a show called Last Blade Standing on YouTube, and I honestly haven't had a chance to go and check them out on the show. What I can tell you is that they are incredible steel, hand-forged Damascus of a couple of different patterns. One of them was made by a gentleman, I guess, that goes by Wildfire Knife and Tool, and the other was made by Three Vikings Knife Works. It was clear that when they came in that they were in some kind of competition because of the condition of the edges and the tips. It looks like there was probably some stabbing going on in the show, and definitely some heavy chopping going on. That being said, both knives were in incredible condition, having been through the abuse that they get put through. The rolling on the edges wasn't really that bad, and the tips were just barely bent. So I've already sharpened them, so I'm not going to go through that process, but I'm going to show them to you, and we'll do a couple of fun things with them that I can probably get away with on TikTok. These days it's getting a little hard to do things with knives because we get violations for dangerous acts. Even cutting a tomato had one of our videos taken down for a while. So we'll cut some paper and things like that and see what they can do. The owner of these knives said he wanted to use one of them in the kitchen and the other one for camping. So I went with different edges on both of them. The one that he's going to use for camping, which is the Three Vikings knife, I put a convex edge on it. It'll be really robust and good for chopping kindling and things like that, or bear, whatever. The other one he wanted to use in the kitchen, and though it's not going to be slicing paper thin sheets of tomato, it'll be very functional in the kitchen for more heavy chopping. And that one I went with what I call a semi-convex edge. They're both very sharp, so let's have some fun with them. We'll see if we get taken off for this one. All right, at Printler, they're all done for you, ready to go, shipping out this afternoon. These are on the house.